Join me as I dive into the ultimate challenge of figuring out once and for all whether Facebook ads or Google ads can actually make me more money. In today's digital marketing landscape, two titans stand tall: Facebook ads and Google ads. Both are crucial for any business looking to make a mark online, but which one can actually drive more profitability? That's what we're going to explore in this video. When it comes to deciding where to invest your marketing budget, I'm sure you face the same dilemma as many marketers out there. Should you put your eggs in Facebook's basket, with its unparalleled targeting capabilities and massive user base? Or should you opt for Google ads, with its unmatched intent-driven traffic and reputation for delivering high-quality leads? It's a tough call, especially when you consider the sheer volume of options available on both platforms. The truth is, both Facebook ads and Google ads have their strengths and weaknesses. Some marketers swear by Facebook's ability to target specific demographics and interests, while others claim that Google ads is the way to go for conversions and ROI. But what about the nuances? What about the scenarios where one platform outperforms the other? That's what we need to dig deeper into. For example, if you're running an e-commerce store, Google ads might be the clear winner thanks to its product-based ads and shopping campaigns. But if you're a B2B company looking to generate leads, Facebook ads might be the way to go with its advanced targeting options and lead generation forms. It all comes down to understanding your business goals and target audience. Facebook ads excels at building brand awareness and generating leads, thanks to its massive user base and advanced targeting capabilities. But when it comes to driving conversions and ROI, Google ads often takes the cake. That's because Google ads is all about intent-driven traffic, people actively searching for products or services like yours. In terms of ad formats, Facebook ads offers a wider range of options, from carousels and stories to videos and instant experiences. Google ads, on the other hand, is more focused on text-based ads, but its responsive ad formats are highly effective. When it comes to audience engagement, Facebook ads has the upper hand thanks to its massive user base and built-in social features. But Google ads isn't slouching either, with its innovative ad formats and extensions that encourage users to take action. Case studies and expert opinions all point to one thing: there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. In some scenarios, Facebook ads will outperform Google ads, and vice versa. For instance, a fashion brand might see better ROI on Facebook ads thanks to its visually driven ad formats, while a law firm might see better conversions on Google ads thanks to its intent-driven traffic. What about an e-commerce store with a small budget? In that case, Facebook ads might be the way to go thanks to its lower cost per click and advanced targeting options. But what about a B2B company looking to generate high-quality leads? Google ads might be the better choice due to its reputation for delivering high-quality traffic. Ultimately, the key takeaway is that the best choice between Facebook ads and Google ads depends on your business goals and target audience. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer, it's about understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each platform and making an informed decision. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've had experiences with both Facebook ads and Google ads, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking to dive deeper into ad strategies, be sure to check out our next video on advanced Facebook ads tactics.